Looking for the perfect vacuum cleaner? Whether you have pets, carpets, or need a lightweight option, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best vacuum cleaners that fit every need and budget. From corded powerhouses to cordless convenience, there's something for everyone. Let's dive in. 1. The Eureka PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice for homes with pets and carpets. It features a powerful motor that provides deep cleaning on multiple surfaces. The Pet Turbo tool is specially designed to remove stubborn pet hair from furniture and carpets. Despite its strong suction, it remains lightweight and easy to maneuver around your home. Plus, the extra-large dust cup reduces the need for frequent emptying, making cleaning more efficient. Speaking of powerful cleaning, if you need a vacuum with a HEPA filter for better air quality, this next one might be for you. Two. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe is perfect for those who need versatility and strong suction power. Its lift-away feature allows you to detach the canister for cleaning stairs and above-floor areas. The HEPA filter captures 99.9% of dust and allergens, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers. With swivel steering, it easily moves around furniture and tight spaces. Plus, its large dust cup capacity means fewer trips to the trash can. If you're looking for something more compact and space-saving, our next vacuum is a great budget-friendly option. 3. The Bissell CleanView Compact Upright is a space-saving powerhouse designed for apartments, dorm rooms, and small homes. Despite its compact size, it delivers strong suction to effectively clean carpets and hard floors. The removable extension wand makes it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas like ceilings and corners. Weighing just a few pounds, it's easy to carry and store in tight spaces. This is a great budget-friendly option for those who need a reliable vacuum without taking up too much room. Next, let's check out a cordless option that offers both power and convenience. The LEVOIT cordless vacuum cleaner is a great choice for those who love cordless convenience and a tangle-resistant design. It offers up to 50 minutes of runtime, allowing for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The powerful suction works efficiently on both carpets and hard floors. Its lightweight and rechargeable design makes it easy to carry around the house. Plus, the detachable dustbin and washable filter make maintenance hassle-free. If you're looking for even more power and a longer runtime, our next vacuum is worth considering. The 550-watt cordless stick vacuum cleaner is a premium choice for those who want high suction power and a long-lasting battery. With 45 kilopascal suction, it easily picks up dirt, debris, and pet hair from all surfaces. The self-standing design means you don't need to lean it against a wall or worry about storage. Its removable battery and charging dock station make it convenient for extended use. Plus, it converts into a handheld vacuum, making it perfect for cleaning cars, upholstery, and tight spaces. And there you have it. These are the top 5 vacuum cleaners for every home, whether you need power, convenience, or pet-friendly features. Which one is your favorite? Do you prefer corded or cordless vacuums? Let me know in the comments below. Check the description for links to all these vacuums and more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more helpful reviews. See you in the next video.